The Rack Shop is proud to present this 5th generation Toyota 4Runner with the factory installed raised rails removed. We've just installed the Front Runner Slimline II base rack kit. This is a 3/4 model, so it stops just behind the sunroof. This tray is about 61 inches long by about 49 inches wide. It does come with that front wind deflector on the bottom side. Also, this kit includes the vehicle specific leg set that connects to the factory connection points that the rails were connected to. So it gives you a really stout system. The tray has a really nice design. It does have sort of a built-in perimeter to allow things to maybe give you more confidence in not sliding around so much. But there are a multitude of different accessories that help secure your cargo, which we do highly recommend. But overall, it's a really great stout system. Tons of different accessories available for it. This is just a quick walk around so you can see what it looks like. But for more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete kit with a couple of clicks, visit the link in the description below. So that's going to be it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.